From layer name, we will create styles. From styles, we will convert them to the variable, and variable will get converted to the tokens and applied to the design system. Step number 1, rename the layers. I will select all the layer, press Ctrl R on Windows, use the regular expression. For that, I have created a separate video. I will put a link in the post. Let's do this exercise for the other part of it. Step number 2, select all the layer that you want to convert to the style. So I will select all of them. Go to the plugin area and select the plugin called Styler, and we will select general style. So 14 styles are created. So on the right hand side, we can see all the styles are there. If I select any one of the item, I can see the style is applied to that particular object. Now, step number 3 is we will convert the style to the variable. That is super fast. Here we will use the plugin called style to variable. Click on convert style into variable. Once you've done this exercise, if you go here and open the variable, you will find all the styles is now converted to the variable. Now doing the final touch. I want instead of style to apply here, we want the variable should get applied here. So select all of this thing, go here, and we will use the plugin called apply variable. And we want to do it with the selection. So 14 nodes are done. And if you select here, now instead of styles, the variable is coming here. And how we know that? When the style is rounded in shape, when it comes here, when you apply a variable, it shows as a square. Ensure that you have connected to the variable and not the styles.